Yescoin is giving away 1000 USDT to Yescoin miners. So if you're mining Yescoin, there is a 1000 giveaway or pool that you need to participate in, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway. It is very easy to do. It only involves doing some tasks, getting rewards, and winning big prizes. And also, before I get started, if you have not started mining Yescoin, here's an opportunity for you to start mining Yescoin. This is the first step you have to take in order to participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway. Just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the registration link there, the join link. Tap on the join link, they'll be directed to Telegram so that you can start mining Yescoin. Let me start by showing you guys the latest update concerning this 1000 USDT giveaway on the Yescoin official Telegram channel. As you can see right here is the Yescoin official Telegram channel. You can see the post that was being made recently. You can see complete tasks, earn rewards, and win big. Let me get to read all of it. Yescoiners, is go time. Complete tasks, win rewards, and grab a piece of the 1000 USDT prize pool. Right there is the 1000 USDT I'm talking about, so everyone can participate. If you're lucky, you're going to be among the winners. So let me go ahead now to read the steps that you need to take in order to participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway. You can see it right there, how to enter, complete the tasks on the special page, and the second one, screenshot your completed tasks. Then the third one, submit your screenshots plus turn wallet address and tag 2 friends. I will show you guys how you can do all of this, how you can get to the special page, how you can screenshot, and also how you can submit your screenshots together with your wallet address and also tagging 2 friends. What I'll do right now is to go ahead to show you the tasks that you need to complete. Let me go back now. Let me go to the home page of the Yescoin mining app. Let me go back. I'm back now to the home page of the Yescoin mining app. Now to go to the tax section, you have to tap on N. You can see where it is written N on the left hand side. So let me tap on it right away. Right here is the end section. You can see it has 3 pages. The first one is daily, the second one is achievement, while the last one there is partner. The one you have to tap on, the task that you need to do, is the one called achievement. That's the special page. You have to go over achievement. You can see I've gotten there now. What you have to do now is to complete all of these tasks. You have to do all of these tasks. After you're done doing all of these tasks, then you're good to go. As you can see there are 14 tasks under the achievement page. And also, to be on a safer side, you can go ahead to do the partner tax. You can see where it is written partner. Let me tap on it. You can see under the partner page we have several tags here. You can see there are 12 in number, so if you want to do it, you can do it. But the most important one, which is the special page, is the one that is written achievement. That's the one that I need to do in order to participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway on Yescoin. So let me go back now to the achievement. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to do all of these tasks. Right here, I've done all the tasks now. So what I'll do now is to go ahead to claim them. So let me tap on the first one. Let me tap on check. Then let me claim it right away. Let me go over to the next one. Then let me tap on check. Then let me claim it right away. Then the next one, check. Then claim. So guys, this is how you can do it. I've already done the task. I'm just going ahead to claim it. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I had to do the task first of all before showing you guys how you can claim it. So let me run this. Let me run this very fast. Claim. Start. Claim. Claim. Let me tap on claim again. Let me tap on claim. So this is how you're going to do all the tasks. Let me tap on claim. So now from the look of things, there are remaining 2 tasks. Let me go down now. Let me go down to see the tasks. Okay, here is the task. You can see there under the yes question, add Yescoin app to your home screen. Then the second one, add Yescoin app to your name. I've done it, so let me tap on it. Let me tap on check. Then let me claim it right away. Let me go over to the next one. Let me tap on verify. Then let me tap on claim. Right now, I've done all the tasks under the achievement page, under the special page. So I will go ahead now to show you guys how you can participate. But before I do that, let me claim the tasks that I've done under the partner. So let me tap on partner right away. So here are the tasks under the partner. Let me tap on the first one. Let me claim it. Let me do this real quick. I don't want this video to be too long. Claim. The next one. Claim. Over to the next. Claim. Over to the next. Claim. So this is how you simply claim all the tasks that you've done. Claim. The most important one is the achievement. The achievement is a special task. So make sure you do that. You can leave the partner if you don't want to do the partner, but make sure you do the achievement. That's the one that is going to qualify you for the 1000 USDT giveaway. So this is the last one now. Let me claim it. So guys, now I'm done with that. So what I'll do now is to go back now to the achievement. Let me go over to the achievement. I want to make a screenshot of it. But before I do it, before I screenshot that, let me tap on claim. You can see where it is written claim. Let me claim it for completing 6 taxes. You can see it is over 6. So let me tap on claim right away. So guys, now I've claimed it. You can see it. So what I have to do now is to make a screenshot of this achievement page. You can see it's on achievement. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me make a screenshot real quick. Let me screenshot it. Let me scroll down from the top of my phone. As you can see there, I've made the screenshot. So what I'll do now is to go over to the official channel of Yescoin so I can apply to participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway. Let me go back now. Let me go back to the channel. Let me scroll up. So let me tap on join channel. So guys, here is the post. That is the recent post. So from what they said complete the tags, screenshot the completed tags. I've done that. Then they said submit your screenshot plus turn wallet address and tag 2 friends. I've not gotten my wallet address, so what I will do simply now is to go back now. Let me go back to the Yescoin mining page. Let me go back now. I'll have to show you guys how you can get your turn address. So let me go over to the home page now. Let me go back. I'm right now I'm on the home page. So let me tap on mine. You can see where it is written mine. The arrow is pointing at it. Now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see turn wallet connected. By tapping on it, you'll be able to copy your wallet address. So let me tap on it. You can see at the top copied. Let me tap on it again to show you guys. Let me tap on it to confirm it. You can see copied at the top. This is how you can copy your wallet address. So what I'll do now is to go back now to the official page again, the official Telegram page. Let me go back now. So guys, I'm right here again. So what you can simply do now to participate is to tap on where you can see submit your screenshot plus turn wallet address and tag 2 friends. You have to tap on it. You can see there being encircled. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on open right away. You can see where it's written open. You can see right away it's directing us to the X page, to the Twitter page of Yescoin. I think that's where we're going to participate. That's where we need to do the final submission of the screenshot that we've just made. Right here now you can see. So what I'll do now is to scroll down to show you guys examples of people that have actually submitted theirs. Let me scroll down now. You can see this first person right here. You can see the first person. You can see the friends that the person tagged, the 2 friends. You can see the turn wallet address right there, and you can see the screenshot right there. You can see he screenshotted the achievement page. You can see it. So this is how you can do it. So let me find another person. So I'll simply scroll down. Let me scroll down. You can see this yet another person. You can see the turn wallet address at the top, and you can see the person tagged his friends, 3 of the friends, and also this the screenshot. You can see it right there, the screenshotted achievement page. Let me scroll down again. You can see this last person here as well. Let me just use this as the last example. You can see the turn wallet address, and also you can see the screenshot and the tagged friend. So guys, this is how you can do it. So let me show you guys how you can do yours now. Let me scroll to the top of my phone. Let me scroll now. For you to actually submit yours, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see the message icon, the comment icon. You can see the comment icon right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to go ahead now to paste the turn wallet address. You just copied your turn wallet. So let me paste mine right away. As you can see, I've pasted it. So let me tag it as my turn wallet address. So let me just type in turn wallet address so that they will be sure that's my turn wallet address. Let me do that right away. Wallet LLAT then address. So guys, you can see now I've imputed my turn wallet address. So what I'll do right away now is to tag 2 of my friends. You can tag more than 2 if you want, but they say 2. So let me type in @ let me use the @ symbol. Then let me type in the name of my friend. You can type the name of any of your friend on Twitter. So let me just type in 1. So a list has been provided. This is a list of my friends. You can see the person right there, the first one. So let me tap on it right away to select it. So you can see now I've tagged one of my friends. Let me go over, let me do the second one. Let me tag my second friends. So let me put @ then let me just type in the name of the person. And again, they've suggested for me the list of my friends. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. Let me tap on the person to select it. As you can see now, I've selected, I've tagged 2 of my friends. So the next step now I have to take now is to go ahead now to impute the screenshotted image of the achievement page, of the special page, of the tags that I've done. And for you to do that, you have to tap on the image icon. You can see that image icon on the left hand side. So let me go ahead now to tap it. Let me tap on the image icon. You can see now it's opening my phone gallery. You can see the screenshotted image there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it to select it. You can see now it's going to load up. Let's wait. Wow, guys, can see it has loaded up. You can see it right there. You can see now what you have to do now is to tap on reply. You can see reply at the top there. By tapping on reply, you will submit it. But before you do that, make sure all of these are correct. So let me go ahead now to tap on reply at the top. Let me tap on it real quick. Wow, guys, can see your post was sent. You can see it right there below. And let me scroll up now. You can see this is my turn address, this is a friend I tagged, and this is the screenshot. So guys, this is the step-by-step guide on how you can participate in this 1000 USDT giveaway or pool on Yescoin. So we have done all we need to do. So what you have to do now is to wait until the final day when the prize is going to be given out. As you can see there at the top where the arrow is pointing, it says 100 lucky winners will each walk away with 10 USDT. So hopefully we're going to be among the lucky winners. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Bye. Peace.